In this lesson we do some work on order of operations. Now I'm going to start with a funny sort of word, bidmass. Now bidmass, now each letter stands for something. Now the B stands for brackets. Okay, now we've called them brackets, but what they could be parentheses, could be brackets, could be braces. Okay, but we're going to call all of those brackets just for ease of use. The next letter I stands for indices. Now if we consider a number like this, 5 squared or 2 cubed, when we talked about the squared and the cubed, they are indices. The next two letters, D and M, stand for division and multiplication. Okay, so we have a divide and a times there. And finally, A and S, what do you think they might stand for? Addition and subtraction. Okay, the plus and the minus. Let's take a look at some examples. The first one, 7 plus 4 times 10. So we have an addition and a multiplication. So let's identify them on our list. There's the addition, there's the multiplication. Which one comes first, working our way from the top? Well, the multiplication will come in front of the addition. So we must do the times first. So the 4 times 10, we're going to do that first as a first step. And just to remind ourselves to do that first, just put some little brackets around that. It's always a useful technique. So 4 times 10 is 40. Let's write that up there. So the question now stands as 7 plus 40. And 7 plus 40 equals 47. The next one, 12 minus 4 plus 6. Well, here we have a subtraction and an addition. So on our list, subtraction and addition, they actually appear on the same line. Now, if they appear on the same line, then those sort of questions, we actually just work our question from left to right. Just like as you're reading a book from left to right. So let's see how we go. 12 minus 4, well that's 8, plus 6 equals 14. The next one, 12 minus, and then in brackets we've got 4 plus 6. Well, as soon as we see the brackets, we can see that the brackets occur at the top of our list. So we always do them first. So 4 plus 6, well that's 10. So the question now stands as 12 minus 10. And of course 12 minus 10 equals 2. 15 plus 6 divided by 3. Well, we have an addition and a division. So on our list, there's our addition, there's our division. We can see that the division will occur first. So we must do the division. So we have 6 divided by 3. Again, we'll put some brackets around that. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we have 15 plus 2. And 15 plus 2 equals 17. The next one, 24 divided by 4 times 3. We've got a division and a multiplication. So from our list, there's the division, there's the multiplication. They're on the same line, so we work from left to right. So 24 divided by 4, well that's 6 so far, and then 6 times 3 equals 18. 50 minus 5 times 7. We have a subtraction and a multiplication. So on our list, there's subtraction, there's multiplication. We're going to do the multiplication first, aren't we? So looking at that, 5 times 7, put brackets around that, we know it's 35. And the question then is 50 minus 35, and with a bit of practice we can just write the answer. That equals 15.